Granit ev gereçleri. Granit ev gereçleri began its production in a small workshop in 1960. Granit ev gereçleri has 10,000 square meters production area and still continue its production by carrying on its excitement and energy with the assistance of its 50 years experience. Granit ev gereçleri, located in Izmir, that 13 kilometers away to Izmir Airport and 45 kilometers to Izmir Port. Granit ev gereçleri has ability to perform loading just time with the advantage of short distance to export channels. Granit ev gereçleri follows the world trends and reply its customers' demands within its R&D department, die making and molding department. Main aim of Granit ev gereçleri is to produce always high quality products and use the less technology and machines in the production line. Granit ev gereçleri feels proud of providing approximately 200 kinds of different products to its customers by carrying on the production of ironing boards, clothes dryers, shopping trolleys, accessories of ironing board, grills, accessories of grills, barbecue set and step ladders. Granit ev gereçleri reaches its customers by launching its products both to local and foreign markets. Granit ev gereçleri is a well-known company in 41 countries. Granit ev gereçleri is dealing with big chain markets in local market, such as Bauhaus, Baumax, Koçtaş, Leroy Merlin, Metro, Migros, Praktiker, Real, Tensaş, Tesco Kipa. Granit ev gereçleri has ISO 9001-2000 quality management system document which facilitates the company for running and being strong. Granit ev gereçleri attaches high value to its workers, manufacturers and laborers by having the professional point of view. Granit ev gereçleri constitute waste treatment facility to make production by thinking on ecological environment. For this reason, Granit ev gereçleri initiated environment management system practices in 2010. Granit ev gereçleri continues its production with its specialist staff, successful team and strong and dynamic background. Granit ev gereçleri is adding value to its workers by organizing educations and pays attention to increase their quality awareness. It is aimed by the Granit ev gereçleri to document mentioned system in 2011. In line with this purpose, Granit ev gereçleri is state of being in preparation for ISO 14001 today. As a company which doesn't make a concession from its long-established structure, Granit ev gereçleri gives particular importance to customer satisfaction and provides the quality, confidence and variety to the consumers. Strong technological background, team spirit, stability, durability and difference integrated in Granit. With the aim of being a world company within its category, Granit ev gereçleri increases its power day by day. Live difference and change your life.